Yes. The next one, Biot-Savart Law. We don't have derivation in this. You just have to remember the concept. We don't have derivation. You just have to remember the concept. Okay. Magnetic field due to current element. Magnetic field due to current element. This is Biot-Savart Law. Now, first of all, see what is Biot-Savart Law. First, I will write the formula. The formula for Biot-Savart Law is dB is equal to mu naught over 4 pi into I dl sine theta over r square. See what it states. What is Biot-Savart Law states? Biot-Savart Law states that the magnitude of magnetic field is directly proportional to current, the elemental length, and inversely proportional to square of distance between them. I repeat, it states that, just remember the statement, it states that magnetic field is directly proportional to current, it is directly proportional to elemental length, and it is inversely proportional to square of distance r. Magnetic field is directly proportional to current, directly proportional to elemental length, and inversely proportional to r square. Okay, so after removing proportionality sign, the constant first arose is mu naught, then 4 pi, then we got sine theta. My question is, first will revise it again. We'll revise this thing. First, what we have, Biot-Savart Law. In Biot-Savart Law, the statement is sorry, I'm changing the marker. Yes, the statement is the magnetic field is directly proportional to current, it is directly proportional to elemental length, and is inversely proportional to square of distance between them. So what will be the formula of dV? dV will be equal to mu naught over 4 pi into I dl over r square into sine theta. What is mu naught? Mu naught is permittivity of free space. What is the value of mu naught? Mu naught, we know the value of mu naught. Mu naught will be equal to 4 pi into 10 raised to minus 7, and in terms of Tesla meter per ampere. Tesla meter per ampere. Okay. Yes. Let's see some questions based on this. The question is, what will be B on the axis of wire? What will be B on axis of wire? Axis of wire. See, in Biot-Savart Law, there was a consideration that we have an infinite length of wire. Okay. And because of the motion of the charge, because of the, see, I'll repeat it once again. What is there? In Biot-Savart Law, we considered an imaginary infinite length of a wire. Infinite length of a wire. Okay. From which current is moving. Now, as the length is infinity, we are just taking elemental length dl. We are just taking elemental length dl. And because of the motion of the charge, there will be production of, yes, what? There will be production of magnetic field. It was suggested by whom? It was suggested by, yes, very good, Oersted. So it was suggested by Oersted that whenever the current carrying wire, current is flowing in current carrying wire, magnetic field is produced. So This is elemental length and current I is flowing. The question is, what if your B is on axis of wire? Your B is on axis of wire. I'll show you the question again. What will be B on axis of wire? Yes, on axis of wire, B will be 0. Why B will be 0? Because we have formula that dB is equal to mu naught IDL sine theta over r square upon 4 pi we have. Yes, sine 0. And what is the value of sine 0? Sine 0 is 0. So your B will be what? Your B will be 0. Okay. Let's see the next question. Vector form of Biot-Savart law. What is vector form of Biot-Savart law? See, which formula we studied now? We studied the formula dB is equal to mu naught I dl into r, vector r, upon you have 4 pi r cube. Mu naught I dl into r upon 4 pi r cube. If you will check r, unit vector r, that will be equal to a vector upon magnitude of vector. This will be the formula. See, I'll explain once again. Which formula we studied? We studied the formula. We studied the formula that dB is equal to mu naught over 4 pi into I dl sine theta over r square. This was not a vector formula. How to bring vector into the picture? To bring vector into the picture, we have formula that vector r, sorry, r cap will be unit vector is vector to original vector. So what about this small r? That small r will be equal to upon r cap. So here you can write mu naught upon 4 pi into I dl into, in place of r square, what you can write here already here r square. So that will be what? So here you can write it as r cube into vector r. Where that comes? That comes from sine theta. What is sine theta? Sine theta will be r on r. Okay. From here you will get the formula. You will get the vector formula for Biot-Savart law. Now, the question is: a wire placed along the north-south direction carries a current of 8 ampere from south to north. Find the magnetic field of one piece of wire at point 200 centimeter northeast from the piece. I repeat the question. A wire placed along north-south direction carries a current of 8 ampere from south to north. Find magnetic field due to 1 centimeter piece of wire at 200 centimeter northeast from the piece. Yes, I'm just giving you 1 minute time. Let me know the data and solve it as soon as possible. Anyone with the data? What is current? Current is 8 ampere Find magnetic field due to 1 centimeter piece. 1 centimeter piece means that elemental length is given. What is that elemental length? 1 centimeter. What is 1 centimeter? 10 raised to minus 2 meter. At point 200 centimeter. 200 centimeter means that is what? That will be your R. What is R? R is your 200 into 10 raised to minus 2 meter. What you are supposed to find? You are supposed to find the magnetic field. So what's the formula for magnetic field? Your magnetic field formula is dB is equal to, yes, very good, it will be mu naught I dl sine theta over 4 pi r square. So here you can write mu naught into I into dl into, what is sine theta? It is north, south to north. After that, northeast. Where is northeast? Northeast, it has 45 degree. So here you will write sine theta is sine 45 upon what you have, upon you have 4 pi r square. Okay, I will give you one hack. Just see. In place of mu naught, what you can write? You can write 4 pi into 10 raised to minus 7, right? So 4 pi will get cancelled. 4 pi will get cancelled. And this will be equal to, what is current? 8 into, what is dl? What is dl? 1 into 10 raised to minus 2 into, what is sine 45? 0.707 upon r square. R square means 200 to 10 raised to minus 2 is what? It is 2 meter only. So 2 square will be what? It will be 4. 4 ones are 4 twos are. 4 ones are 4 twos are. So 2 into 0.707, that means it will be what? It will be 1.4 into 10 raised to minus 2 meter. Am I missing something? Yes, I'm missing something. Here it is 10 raised to 7 also. The value of 10 raised to 7. So 10 raised to 7, 10 raised to minus 2 will be what? It will be 10 raised to minus 9. Okay, I missed this 10 raised to minus 7, which that's why this answer came. Okay, so if you consider this 10 raised to minus 7, this 10 raised to minus 7, and this 10 raised to minus 2 will be equal to what? That will be equal to 10 raised to minus 9.